Sat Sri Akal. I thought I would do a very powerful verse given the pandemic that we are in, something that could motivate and inspire us and keep us more grounded and hold our belief in the Lord. आसा महला पंजवा तुझ बिन अवर नाही मैं दूजा तू मेरे मन माही. There is no one other than you, dear Lord. There is no one and nothing else that I could think of. You are mine. You are in my heart. You belong to me. Mere man mahi, my beloved, my person that I like and adore. You are within me and inside of me. तू साजन संगी प्रभ मेरा काहे जिया डराई. You are my beloved. You are my companion. You are everything to me, dear Lord. And if that's the case, then why do I fear? Why is there doubt? Why does my heart and my mind trouble me and make me doubt you? Tumri oth tumari asa. You are my support. You are my desire. बैठत उठत सोवत जागत विसर नाही तू सास के रासा. Whether I am sitting or standing, sleeping or am awake, do not forget me, dear Lord, because every breath in my heart that is beating because of you. You are responsible for every breath that I take, every beat that my heart makes. You are within that and inside of that. Do not forget me. Rahao. राख राख शरण प्रभ अपनी अग्नि सागर विकराला. Keep me protected, dear Lord, in your shelter, in your sanctuary, because surrounded by me is an abyss of fire where the flames are roaring and increasing. And these are the flames of doubt, of greed, of the five vices, of chal kapat, of maya moh. And I sometimes get carried away with these vices. I look at these vices, I look at this fire that is burning around of me, this flame that is continuously increasing around me, and that is when that jiya darai. Then when doubt enters my mind and I begin to question you. Sometimes I face hardships in my life, maybe because of the mistakes that I have made, but then I question you and I lose my faith in you. When I fall sick, when something bad happens, I question you. But when you are taking care of me, giving me success, blessing me, giving me happiness and joy, am I questioning why you have chosen me? That is the dilemma of being human. So, dear Lord, keep me safe, keep me in your sanctuary, keep me protected, because I am aware that around me and surrounding me are these roaring flames. नानक के सुख दाते सतगुर हम तुमरे बाल को पाला. The giver of happiness. You are my giver of happiness. Nanak ke sukh date. Hey dear Lord, my true Lord, you are not only true but also the giver of peace and happiness and joy. We, dear Lord, hum tumre baal ko pala. We are but your children. We can never be anything other than that. You are everything to us. We are your Bal Gopalas. You are our Mat, our Pita. You are our Sajan and Sangi, our beloved, our companion, our everything. Ang Sang Rakhi Sache Pita. That is what is the gist of this entire paragraph. Very powerful, though short. It conveys what we need. कि हे दाता in times like this, when we are all worried and afraid, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ शरण च रखे, राइट? राख राख सरनी प्रभ अपनी, अग्नि सागर विकराला. Keep us safe, keep us protected, because if you don't keep us protected, dear Lord, then where do we go? Because after all, हम तुमरे बाल गोपाला. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.